Hello ma'am, I'm Shivani Gahlot, a final year engineering student of Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research. I have completed my schooling from Maharishi Vidya Mandir Khargone and I have strong interest in website development. I created two projects on it. One is HobbyNet and another is CampusFix. HobbyNet is used to connect the people, like-minded people which have same interests and same hobbies, and CampusFix is used to solve the problem of campus, which is about the maintenance, security and sanitation, which can be managed by the administrator of the departments. And my hobbies are, I'm a travel enthusiast. I just love to travel and explore different places, and my strengths are, I have leadership quality and team collaboration, and that's it.
Okay. Which tools you use in your project?
Ma'am, I used my tech stack is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In my front end part, I used it, and we are in a team, so we worked on a MERN stack. So basically, it was like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Shivani, where do you see yourself after 5 years?
So, ma'am, I see myself as a professional leader in any reputed company. I just want to grow in latest technology and learn new technologies, and want chance to give my knowledge to my juniors, and want to become a leader of any group or any team.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
As you have leadership quality, as you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
mentioned already. Okay, so did you lead any team earlier?
Yes, ma'am. I lead one team in my minor project. So during my HobbyNet project, I lead my team. We are a team of 3 members, and I led that team. And I'm the front end developer, and I coordinate everyone, and I give them tasks and manage all the tasks, and give them time that you have to done that task in that time, and also present myself in front of different department faculties by presenting my project.
Describe the cloud computing.
Ma'am, cloud computing is used for providing the computing services like server, network, and it is used for the storing and managing the data. It provides different services. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. These are the basic models of it, and it is also free of cost, and it can be this is of a two type. It can be in a private cloud, and it can be in a public cloud. In public cloud, we have AWS, Google Cloud, like that. We use it by freely, by not paying anything. And in private cloud, it is of the organization's cloud, that only that companies employers can work on that cloud. So.
Explain the PaaS and SaaS.
Ma'am, platform as a service is the platform which is used for the services, like Google Cloud is the platform that we can use, and use their services, and store our data and manage that data in any and can perform any operations. And software is like we use Gmail and Google Drives, so it is like that.
Okay, Shivani, what is responsive design?
Ma'am, responsive design is like if I create any website, it would be work or visible on any device. It would be used on the mobile also, laptop also, and any device, any desktop. So it will work on any device easily.
Okay.
And we can use it like if I work on a laptop and I have made any website, and it should be work on mobile also, laptop also, tablet also, and any device.
Okay.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
do you keep yourself updated towards the new technology?
Ma'am, I keep myself updated by reading blogs, and by checking the post on LinkedIn by any mentors, and also by watching the tutorials on YouTube. The mentors I followed and I subscribed on YouTube, that they updated me, everyone by their YouTube videos, and they posted every latest technologies on their videos.
Okay.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
already told about your strength. Now let us know about your weakness.
Ma'am, earlier I had my weakness as a public speaking, but I overcome that. But I joined my communication classes and I overcome that weakness, and I participated in different GDs in my college also, and I participated in a hackathon also. By presenting myself, it overcome my public speaking weakness.
Differentiate the ID and class.
Ma'am, ID is like it is unique. It should be unique. It can't be used by any other person. And class used multiple times. We can use class multiple times. Reuse also. And ID can be unique. And by dot we can get ID in and by hash we can get class.
Explain the class.
Class, ma'am, class we can use multiple times. We can use a single class by making a different functions on it, and by using those function we can reuse that code also. It is like a blueprint of any blueprint that shows the properties and behaviors of data.
Shivani, why did you choose front-end development?
Ma'am, I choose front-end development because I just want to create colorful sites and want to make and develop user interfaces, and by coloring them and making my website more useful for the clients and users. That's why I choose front-end development.
Explain the RDBMS.
RDBMS is the Relational Database Management System, which is used to store data in tables, rows, and columns. It is used for the in structured query language. We use RDBMS. Structured query language is also used for the store data and manage it in a tabular form. And we can perform different operations on it also, by inserting data, deleting data, and perform any operation to find data from where it is. Where the data in which row it stores, like that.
How do we do the media queries work?
Media queries work, ma'am, by that we can change the size of our it used in CSS. Media query used in CSS by using @media, and we can change it in the screen size of the our page, and by manipulating it by the pixels, like if I want it in a 20 pixel size of 20 pixel, I can change it there only. It is used for CSS.
Okay, last question, Shivani. Why should we hire you only over other candidates?
Ma'am, you should hire me because I'm a quick learner and adaptable. As your company works on different automation and latest technology, so I can grab easily that technology. I can learn those technologies also. And earlier, I also worked on my projects, and I have done one of my internship with the OSS Infobyte. And at that point, I just learned how to work on real world problems. So that's why you should hire me. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Shivani.
Thank you so much, ma'am.